Now we're going to go up into Voberg, and I should have somewhere to stop. Now this is that very pretty little town with all the cobbles. Cobbles everywhere. You'd think it was a turkey fest. But it does test A, your suspension, and B, your tyres. When I get out through the backside of this, I'm going to pull up at the first available spot, and we're going to take a look at our tyres. To all of you guys that have bought tyres as well, and let me know how you're getting on with them. Let me know if you're as thrilled with them as I am with these. At the same tyre, we've got identical bikes. We ride very similar, so we should be. But it would always be good to hear your views anyway. Right, first spot I get, I'm pulling up. My Lord BMW, please keep the dry and keep the sun out until I've got a section of the tyres done. I'm going to do front and back, and then once that's done, if you want to rain, I'm fine with that. What we're going to do, there's a bus stop here. I know I shouldn't pull into a bus stop, but hey, it's written in German. I don't speak German. So let's have a look at what 3,750 looks like. I mean, look at that. I mean, that looks as if it's hardly worn. Very centre. Is hard, and the softer compounds are on the outside. So it's harder there, softer here. Let's have a look at the back. And there we are. 3,750 miles on that. I need to give you a wash, Sam. Right. Here we go. Our Lord BMW kept it nice and dry for me. Now, if you haven't seen it, TMF did a review of the Multistrada to compare it against the GS, and as we all know, if the competition try and get close to BMW raises the bar. They tried it with the Goldwing, and then Pielmeier had to come up with the K1600. So it was a nice try, but no biscuit. So have a look at TMF's So we're now hitting the Regensburg Road, I think, if I recognise it properly. So we've got a nice quick road back, and I'm going to shut up so you can listen to Sam. Beautiful sunset. Sun's going down. Reminds me of a song I heard with Mark Cohn, where he sang about if there is a God in heaven, he drives a silver Thunderbird. He kind of doesn't. He actually rides a BMW, and I think it's the K1600, to be honest. But I think he's gone totally badass, and he's riding it a naked 1600. BMW, if you're listening, I came up with that first, so I get all the commission for all the sales for a naked K1600. Yay! I mean, wouldn't that be awesome? Cross handlebar, naked. You could go for long tours on your GTL, and then you could go as a hooligan bike, wheeling everywhere with, no, of course, not on the public road, of course. But wouldn't it be fun? Do you know what? I fancy another blast along the autobahn. What about you? The thoughts of wheeling a K1600. Yeah. Now that would be badass. I've only ever done it once on Sam. I turned traction control off, and having that much weight in the cases and everything else was probably not the right time to pull a wheelie. I grabbed a handful too quick and up went the front. So I was about 40 meters and there's an Audi, got no idea where he's going. Is he having an argument? This is what I was saying, guys. We're having to take allowances for idiots that cross the road. And he's so busy arguing or discussing something that he's not concentrating. So not only do we have to take allowances for what we're doing, but we also have to take allowances for what they're doing. So I think we'll leave him behind. Bib your horn at me, boy. You haven't got one. That's a horn. That little Audi TT went meep, 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 meep. And Sam's got a full air horn, so yeehaw, motherfucker. Now guys, if you've ever wondered what an immigrant centre looks like, that is the one in Ingolstadt. Yeah, I kind of think the Autobahn's got my name on it. Let's lose the rain mode. We're in dynamic. Brake on the back, heavy brake. That gives me the time to check where I'm coming in. Okay, I can see that car's coming quickly, so I am going to slot right behind him. And in front of him. Now that is the way to finish the video. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Ride safe and hard, brothers.